Did you ever wish you could see into the future? To know what lies ahead so that you can make better decisions in the present? Unbox Life Mentoring is the key to shaping your future through present actions. It's about having someone guide you to show you the path towards your goals and dreams so that you can realize them. Someone who's been where you are and knows what it takes to succeed. Unbox Life Mentoring is not about predicting the future, but rather about empowering you now to create the future you want. It's about taking control of your life, bringing all of you into alignment, and making choices that leads you towards a brighter tomorrow. So why wait? Start shaping your future today. Take the online assessment and book your Unbox discovery session with me, and let me help you unlock your full potential. Take the first step now towards a better tomorrow and watch your life unfold towards a brighter future. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content on personal development and growth.